Hello creative friends, my name's Ruth Woods from Craft School Oz. I'm super excited to tell you about our latest course, the Plant Hanger Workshop. In this course we will be making plant hangers using succulents and sticks. This project is a low-cost project and most of the things you can get from around the house and the garden. Succulents are one of the easiest plants to work with. They don't need watering too often and they will survive a bit of neglect. In the workshop I will show you what sticks you can use, how to create a frame, how to attach the plants to the frame, how to prepare the plants and to water them. These plant hangers will look great in your plant collection. And if you've not got a plant collection, it's a great place to start. And if you do, it's a great addition. The workshop is super affordable at $20 US. So why don't you join us in this plant hanging workshop and learn to create these super lovely plant hangers.